Welcome back. I got out here late today. Really wanted to get out here earlier. So we're gonna load up here, hop out here on this lake. We'll give it a couple hours today. Not looking for an all-day event. So come with me and we will take another shot at P.O. Box Lake. So today we're going to be catching bass on the Green Pumpkin Magic Little Brush Hog. We'll see if we can catch one. I've never caught any fish on it, so it's going to be an experience today for us to try to see if we can catch one. So let's go out there and see if we can catch a bass on this Green Pumpkin Brush Hog. Another one. That's a good one. Oh yeah. All right. Good bass there. Whoa. Come here. Gosh. Woo. All right. Got another guy here. All right, buddy. Ooh, nice one. All right, I'll take it. A couple pounds there. All right, there we go. Ooh, let's get him back in the water. Oh yeah. All right. Got it. Oh yeah. All right. Yes, sir. All right. Let's get this baby out the water. All right. Got another one on the brush hog. Yeah. Brush hog's producing today, baby. Sure is. Producing. Brush hog. All right. Let's do this again, man. This is too much fun. Brush hog and brush hog. Getting a little banged up here, but he's still usable. We still got a couple more fish we can catch on him. All right. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta get on here. Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Going that out for this guy. Yes sir. Yes sir. Hold up on that boat. He tried to. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. All right. All right. I'm not gonna hurt you. Whew. Man, she was fun. There we go. All right, look at that baby there. Nice. So she's 4.2 minus 5 ounces, so she's like 3.5 pounds. All right, let's get her back in the water. She's drying out on me. Whew, good fish. Good fish there, man. That's a really nice fish. All right, let's get her back in there. So the brush hog, got her. Green pumpkin magic. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. So a good day here today on the lake, fishing with the brush hog bait, green pumpkin magic. Had some good luck today, but so glad you're here. So glad you joined us today, taking the time out to come out with us this morning and do a little bass fishing. So hope you enjoyed it. And like always, I hope to see you on the lake here at P.O. Box Lake.